Nightlights. Probably most of you already know how they function. If not, when it's dark, they illuminate. When it's light, they don't. But how do you choose a good one out of the thousands available? Especially with so many options. Photocells, lasers, plug-in power, batteries, or USB, different colors and working distances. My name is Alex Rain, and just like you, I'm a consumer. In fact, the whole reason I started this channel is because so many reviews outright infuriate me. As they say, be the change you want to see. If you go on Google, the top results recommend you literally trash. They don't care about you. They just want those affiliate clicks. Like, really? Are we in the 80s or something? Let's talk about brand loyalty. These ones by Ostrom are great. I have been using this kind for over a decade. But that doesn't mean that all of their products are great, even if they have over 100 years of experience. Focusing on, well, lights. These nightlights are utter garbage, poor functionality, and cheap plastic. Yuck. I'm a huge Xiaomi fan, but I'll be the first to criticize, as I already have. Problem is, the camera can't really show what I see with my eyes, the level of illumination, or even the quality of plastic. No one really has a lot of nightlight reviews either, so I have to think it all out and demonstrate in a way that you can understand without getting a degree. After all, you just want to buy a light, not study physics and chemistry. Another big issue is consistency. So when I sell one of these, you can still come back to an earlier video to try and compare. By the way, if you have any ideas, please leave them in the comment section so I can improve my testing methods for you. And yeah, please like and subscribe. Comment. The first review is out already. So, enjoy!